Hello, it's me, Luigi, and I've got the guessing game for you. Oh, a guessing game? Can I play? Sure you can. Anyone can play. Alright, this is gonna be so awesome. Okay, clue number 1. The person I'm thinking of wears pink. Oh, I don't know. Okay, clue number 2. She has yellow hair. Oh, I think I know this one, but I'm gonna need one more hint. Okay, clue number 3. You'll see her wearing a crown most of the time. Oh, I know. Is it Princess Peach? Nope, sorry. Oh, man. You were really close, though. It's actually Peachette I was thinking about. Peachette? Yeah, you know, Toadette's transformation from New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe. Oh, man. I'll get it next time. Did you get it right? If so, tell us in the comments below. In the meantime, would you like to see Lego Peachette? Well, let me show 'em to you. Okay, so it's not exactly Lego Peachette. This is just my brother Mario in a tuxedo and a crown. But I'm gonna show you how Peachette would be built. So first of all, pretend that this is Lego Princess Peach. So first of all, one of the main differences between Princess Peach and Peachette is the pigtails. So, what I've done is I've collected these little round Lego pieces and I put them together like this, and I would just stick one of these on each side of his ear. Like that. And I know it looks silly, but it will probably look better on Princess Peach. Next up, the crown. The crown is a bit puffier, so for that, I would put one of these on there, except it would be pink. I don't know because whoever is controlling us has no Lego Toadette. But yeah, this would just go on top of there. And then it would almost be complete. The only thing left would be to get rid of the brooch, which you can see is a fire flower, but same idea. So I was thinking for that, I would have her step on this tile like this. And the pink with Pink Yoshi would probably match up with the pink for Pink Yoshi for the pink. Hold on, the Mega Mushroom is wearing off. Luigi, I look silly. Yes, you do, Mario. But at least everyone's gonna know what Peachette's gonna look like. What did you say? Oh, never mind. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos. See you later. Can I go now?